It's now time to start entering some terms. To get going, head to Editing and click New. It's really more of a concept that's being added, as it has the option of adding as many terms as you'd like in the languages that are on the term base. Make sure to have your languages added in Configuration before doing this. There will be many options of what to add to the new entry, nearly all of them needing to be added to the term base in advance. The links to these videos are in the description and will appear in a card at the top of the video when we're covering them. The first option will be the admin of the entry. This is explained in the advanced term editing video, however you'll likely never need to use it. After this, you should focus on the terms themselves. Click plus term, select the language for the term and enter it. The best practice is to use all lowercase letters. Click the plus button to see what labels you can add. You can add part of speech labels in the annotations dropdown, as well as languages of origin, additional symbols and italic formatting. Use the arrows to select what part of the term you're attaching the annotation to. To see how to add part of speech labels, check the video linked in the card above right now or the description. Once you have added your annotations, you can add inflected versions of the term. Simply click plus inflection and select the inflection label that you want to add. The video for adding inflection labels is in the cards above now and the description. From here, you can add acceptability labels to the term, which also need to be stored in the term base in advance. See that video in the card above now or the description. Not everybody will need these, but if you're working with a mixture of obsolete terms and in-use terms, this will be quite useful. You can add a small clarification to the term, which will help to quickly gather how to use it. There are other ways to do this, however, such as domains and intros. If you want to add the source of the term, you're going to need to add it in advance, and the video on how to do that will be in the card above or description. Once you've added it, it's as easy as clicking plus source and selecting the source for that specific term. To help categorize an entry and to give it some context, you can add it to a specific domain. You'll need to add those domains in advance, which is explained in this video in the card above or description. First off, you're going to have to click on the domain button. Select the domain or subdomain that's suited to the entry, then click Save. Once the work is saved, you'll now have successfully created your first entry and categorized it.